There we were, at the end of Mighty Chapter 19, and everyone aced the tests. At least that's what I'm hoping for. The test is tomorrow. As always, there are a number of tools at your disposal to help you ace the test. Let's take a look at what we have for us. So we have this forum, of course. We have the study guide on the previous page. If you can answer all these questions, you're probably in a great position to do very well on the test. And then, as always, I always advise you to maybe reread the lesson here with your companion website here, your digital textbook. Right here we've got everything, 1 through 5. Don't forget the one lesson is kind of one that I made. It's covered in one of the lessons, but I kind of expand upon it a little bit. That would be the lesson on the Crusades, which is a part of this chapter, but just like a few paragraphs, whereas I extrapolated on it. So you might know a little more on the Crusades than you need to for the tests. Let's take a look real quick. Okay, yeah, that's part of 19.3. So, 19.1, 2, 3, the Crusades, 19.4, 19.5, and then as a result we have a pretty big test, 65 points. There is a 5-point essay on the end, and that is actually about the Crusades. It's about the sort of the long-term and lasting effects of the Crusades, not the results, the effects. I know off the top of my head that's probably near the end of the Crusades lesson in here, and it will be in the textbook. So if you want to take a look at 19.3 near the end of it in the textbook, where's our textbook? There's 3. It would probably be floating in there. Oh, it's Moscow. Kingdoms and Crusades. Oh, wow, look at that. A paragraph called The Effects of the Crusades. How convenient. So, maybe look there before you try to knock that test out tomorrow. That's it. Test day, looking like the 8th. And then we'll be getting started on Chapter 20, Renaissance and Reformation. When you talk about the Renaissance, you talk about a lot of cool guys like the Ninja Turtles. Not the actual Ninja Turtles. The guys the Ninja Turtles are named after, like Leonardo da Vinci and Raphael the artist and stuff like that. So that's it for now. Good luck on that test tomorrow. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, do your preparation and you should be in a fine position to do well. All right. Have a good one.